Welcome to our video on recognizing the signs of stress in breeding cockatiels. If you're a cockatiel owner or thinking about breeding, understanding their stress signals is crucial for their well-being. Cockatiels can show stress in various ways. Common signs include excessive vocalization, feather plucking, and changes in eating habits. Other signs may include aggressive behavior, lethargy, or hiding. It's important to observe your cockatiels closely to catch these signs early. Stress in cockatiels can be caused by factors such as environmental changes, lack of social interaction, or health issues. Identifying the cause is key to helping them. To help reduce stress, ensure a stable environment, provide plenty of social interaction, and consult a vet if you notice persistent signs. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips on caring